take off like that row and...
Yeah. Ready when you are. Alright, what are we looking at with this one?
This is the new Bulldog SDS Plus floor scraper on the 1.1 SDS Plus 18 volt Bulldog. So the floor scraper is 5 inches wide versus competitors is 4, and we're 11 inches long versus their 8. And when you buy your replacement chisel blades for it, you get 3 new bolts with Loctite on them, and 3 new lock nuts, and 3 lock washers, so you don't have to worry about your hardware wearing out on you.
Bye, boss.
Bye, boss.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bring her all the way up for me, Kate. All right, bring her all the way up for me, Kate. Look at the clearance that this trailer will give you. So if you are going into off-road, I know you don't take your trailers off-road, but if you ever have to clear an obstacle, railroad tracks, you can raise this up. But I'm here with Andy. Tell me a little bit more about this, will you?
So this is our 1420 drop deck trailer. It's built on a all steel construction. The advantage that you have on here is the first 18 inches is at a 9-degree slope, and the rest of the trailer is at about a 3-degree slope from there. The nice thing about this trailer is maintenance. The maintenance is primarily all kept up in the front. It's an electric battery, 1 hydraulic pump, and a hydraulic reservoir.
So everything is contained in one area, plus you can charge it right here off from your truck, correct?
Correct. We've got a 7-pin, so the trickle charger is constantly charging your battery. And then at night, we also have a 120 that plugs in right there, so you can charge it when it's at your lot. The other advantage we've got is that 7-pin charger not only charges your battery, but it also has enough space for you to store all your tie downs, your restraints, any tools that you're going to put in here. And there's also some work lights, full LED work lights that also operate off the same system.
Awesome. All right, and that's by Ants Trailers. Okay, what are we looking at with this, Andy?
All right, guys, so right now we have our card-by-tip technology, allowing you to save time and money on the job. This guy right here is our general purpose that allows you to cut through multiple materials like stainless steel strut, by one wood, and then you got an 1/8 inch angle on right here. Diablo's new technology. Come see us.
Okay, can you walk me through what we're looking at with this thing?
Yeah, certainly. This is our premium metal cutting blade for a 7 1/4 saw. This is not a dedicated metal cutting tool. This is a typical framer saw, but because we develop our own teeth that resist heat very well, we can cut up to 1/2 inch steel. The flange on this beam is 1/2 inch. It leaves an excellent finish. There's no burring, discoloration, and it's ready to coat, to weld, whatever you need.
Thank you.
Certainly.
Bye, Diablo.
Four-stroke powered, clean burning, carb approved hammer that was actually produced to go with the Clean Air Acts that were coming into the United States. It's completely self-contained, it's 54 pounds. It's like a 60-pound pneumatic without running of a 30-horse compressor. So you're not burning the big diesel fuel or anything like that, and it's not just sitting there running. It turns on when you need it, you do your work, you turn it off.
Thank you.
Your air quality control, like in California,
Yeah.
you know, the quantifications they put us on using an air compressor are huge. So this is part of the reason we developed these.
Thank you, sir.
BB36, only rebar cutter bender in the world. You can do 3s, 4s, and 5s, full 180. Full stirrup bend when you cut, slide, slide, open. Clean shear.
Nice.
Right?
Yes, sir.
By Metabo. Thank you. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is the M18 fuel. This does up to 570 cuts per charge, running off from an M18 battery. So what are we looking at with this?
This is the SPN 622. It's our nibbler. We have 3 blades that come with it, depending on the kind of corrugated deck you're working with, or if it's a straight metal sheet deck. It's a very fast chipping nibbler for your simple sheet metal. What we like about this tool is that the vibration is extremely limited in the handle. It's a very safe tool in that your hand's going to be completely away from the blade, and it's a side switch, so it'll stay a constant on as you work as well.
So there's your blade. Can you hit the blade once?
Absolutely.
Alright, and that's the Nibbler by Hilti, right?
That's right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, serious business. Come on, Dad.
What are we like? I'm sorry, man.
This is business.
Business.
Is your dad?
And business
Is that
is
your
No,
dad?
unfortunately.
Oh. Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
Okay,
We're
so
ready.
I'll do the spill.
let's start with the bing, ding, 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 and then we'll pick
And then
up.
we talk about it?
Yeah, do we have to go into the stud track, or can we just go right into the concrete?
Well, it's meant for stud work.
But I can see it better if we just go right into the concrete.
Yeah.
Whatever. I mean, if you tell me, Jared.
That's fine.
Yeah. All right. Let me get lined up, sir. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, what are we looking at, Jared?
It's our BX3 tool, specialized for track fastening to concrete on our Neuron 22 volt platform with a concrete pin, 20 millimeter.
That's what it's
Perfect.
driving into the concrete.
Perfect for doing track to concrete.
It's designed for aluminum framing and wood. Will it do wood as well?
The wood fastening will go to a powder actuated. For track fastening, we'll stick with the BX3.
Okay, thank you, sir. What do you think of it? Run one of these before? Why?
Why have I run one of these before?
Yeah, are you?
I sell them.
Oh, okay. Are you a contractor?
No, I'm a distributor.
Distributor for Hilti? What do you think of this?
This is amazing. Yeah, I've seen them before, but actually to use it now for the first time, it's pretty remarkable.
Why is this just coming out?
I just haven't actually physically used one.
The SDS Max T60 is relatively new to the Neuron platform.
Battery powered.
Battery powered. Yep.
By Hilti. Thank you. Okay. button 2. Throttle it up.
Yeah, the safety was on there. Power.
How long will this battery last, you know?
Depends on the load that you're putting on it. This will be probably somewhere between 20 and 35 minutes. It really just depends.
And that battery will recharge in 45 to 80%.
Yeah, about that. 45 to 50 minutes to 80%, and then another 20 to 30 to get to a full 100%.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Hi, these guys with Dirt Monkey, and they do like social media, YouTubing, and that kind of thing. Are we okay with them like filming the Transvolt? Are you good with that? I just want to make sure. Like I said, I just needed a blessing.
He gets it.
No,
He's like,
I
no,
get
I don't
it.
want this to go in front of a bunch of, you know.
Oh no,
people."
so I just want to be sure. We just hired a new marketing person who isn't on board just yet, and so I just want to make sure that we're not, stepping over anybody's feet. I just want to make sure that we're okay with that. So
That's great.
all right, we're
Does
good.
this go up and down? Can you
Yeah,
actually
I
do
can
it?
do it. Yeah.
All right. So can you? What's your first name?
Dakari. Dakari.
Dakari. Nice to meet you, Dakari. I'm Stan.
Stan, nice
Can
to
you
meet you.
make it go up and down? Then just we'll walk through what it does.
Yeah.
All right. So 3, 2, 1, go for it.
Let's figure out which one is which.
Okay.
We got two different.
And this is powered off from just standard Milwaukee batteries. The Walt on the other side.
That's right.
All right. And this is a material made from that.
The ladder vader, that's right.
What is this called?
This is the Transvolt E2. It's a ladder vader system. That's right. And this one runs off of
On the other side. So this one is designed for shingles,
tools.
and this side is designed to move solar panels.
That's right, or any kind of panel material, plywood or anything like that, right?
And you have a remote for it
Right
there.
One button. Look at that. By tie down. Transvolt by tie down.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Cool.
Hey, will you show the joystick control for me? And it's powered by.
It's powered by 18 to 21 volt batteries from 6 different manufacturers: DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, Stanley, Black & Decker, or Porter Cable.
And to turn, to control it, it's actually a skid steer type of a steering. So one wheel will skid while the other turns, so that's how you get.
That's correct. We're sending power independently to the 2 wheels. So depending on whether you want to go forward or make a turn, you're going to send more power or less power to each wheel.
Thank you, sir.
Will you show the controller with this one too, please?
Sure.
Thank you. It doesn't matter if you say anything or not.
Got a joystick just like your old Atari.
It's fun. Thank you.
All right, now if you want, let me give you a card along with the email address of our marketing director, okay?
How many pounds can that?
450 pounds.
450. And look at these seats. Slide out of the way. And these are called what?
Badass workbenches.
Badass workbenches. So we're not swearing, we're just telling you the name of it. And what? Well, this one goes for $9,700.
Yes, sir. 6 drawers. Everything included. It sits on casters and it's got levelers that you can put it out
All the drawers sits on a 1-inch cold rolled steel shaft with a grease nipple right over there. So it's steel on steel, you can hardly wear it out. It's got a 450-pound weight rating just because the insurance guys told us that we have to put a rating on it.
Okay, thank you. All right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's so many cool things. It was hard to pick which one that I preferred, but I want to hear from you. What did you guys like? Let me know in the comments down below, but that's all we got for you on today's video. We'll catch you guys on another one. God bless. Go get them, you guys.